It is time you stop surviving and start building. Welcome to the Precious Prescription. You have been lied to about productivity. The lie that action equals progress. You can spend an entire 10 hours a day answering emails, organizing your files, attending meetings, and at the end of the day with zero meaningful progress on your most important goals. This is not laziness. It's a sophisticated form of self-sabotage called the productive procrastination. It's the act of using low-impact tasks to create the feeling of accomplishment while actively avoiding the high-impact task that actually scares you. So today, I'm giving you the system to kill it. It's called the Priority First protocol. It has 2 steps. Step 1 is the task triage. Before you start your day, you must triage every item on your to-do list into 2 categories. This is non-negotiable. Category 1, the needle movers. These are tasks that, if completed, will directly generate revenue, or it will increase your audience or bring a major project significantly closer to completion. These tasks often feel difficult, ambiguous, and scary. Examples: scripting a pillar video, making a sales calls, or trying to finalize a proposal. You should have only 1 or 2 of these per day. The second category is maintenance tasks. This includes everything else, from answering emails, attending routine meetings, filing paperwork, posting on social media. These things are the things that keep the lights on, but they don't really build the skyscraper. The mistake 99% of people make is that they start their day with the maintenance tasks to warm up. That is a fatal error. It allows the hard things to be pushed back indefinitely, and this leads to our step 2, which is the first hour rule. It is brutally simple. The first productive hour of your workday after a personal morning routine is reserved exclusively for a needle mover task. Period. No email, no social media, no quick check-ins. Just give your best, your freshest energy to the task that matters most. Even if you only make 1% progress on that big task, trust me, you have already had a more than effective day than anyone who spent 8 hours clearing their inbox or doing those other tasks. By doing the hard things first, you eliminate the possibility of using easy things to hide from it. You starve productive procrastination of its fuel. Stop measuring your day by how many tasks you have crossed off on your to-do list. Start measuring it by whether or not you touched the task, the one task that could change everything. So that's the difference between being busy and being effective. This protocol is a single tool from my full system for building an unshakable life. So if you want the free 7 days field manual to begin building your own mental arsenal, get the Quiet Mind protocol at the first link in the description. And if you want to be a founding member for my full 30 days course, where we install all these systems, the waitlist is linked right below that. See you in the next video. Bye.